So putting the mudguard wheel locks for all the wheels for the Jimny today. Those are my babies fired up. And this one. So what you see on the right is a stock nut. These are of the wheel locks. And this is what you use to unlock them. I'll show you the process. Stand again. It will come. It's coming loose. Circle. This should just become leverage. Hold it properly. Leverage it. And that's how it looks on all the tires. And the guy who helped me put this together today, thank you, boy. So these are the mudguard wheel locks. So this is actually the lock, right? So this type goes on to the mudguard wheel lock, which is here, like so, right? It locks in place. Once it locks in, you use your standard wheel nut remover to remove it. Best part is we've put it on all 4 tires, and you know, you can make sure that your tires and your alloys are safe. Nobody can steal it. If you like this, comment more and let me know what you think about how I'm putting these videos together. I'd love to hear your feedback. Cheers. Ta-da.